Top list provider, find your best top list products here. Number 1, DEWALT DCF885C1 20V Max 1/4. Product features: 1. Increased visibility, has built-in LED with 20-second delay after trigger release. 2. Ergonomic design, compact, 5.55 in front to back, and lightweight, 2.8 lbs, design fits into tight areas. 3. One-handed bit loading, has a 1/4 in hex chuck and accepts 1 in bit tips. No load speed, 0 to 2800. 4. Reliability, tools backed by a 3-year limited warranty Anvil type quick release. 5. Includes 1. DCF885 impact driver, 1. 20V max * battery, 1.5 Ah, and 1. fast charger. 6. * maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Product description: the DEWALT DCF885C1 20V max * 1/4 impact driver kit features a compact, 5.55 front to back, lightweight, 2.8 lbs, design which fits into tight areas. It has 3 LEDs with 20-second delay after trigger release to provide visibility without shadows. This driver offers one-handed loading with a 1/4 hex chuck that accepts 1-bit tips. Specs: max torque, 1400.0 in lbs, no load speed, 0 to 2800, impact/min, 0 to 3200 IPM, 1/4 QR hex drive. Backed by DEWALT 3-year limited warranty. Kit includes 1. DCF885 impact driver, 1. 20V max * battery, 1.5 Ah, 1. fast charger. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.